Hello friends, I am Sudipti, the mental fitness and transformation coach is once again in front of you with another topic of the day. And before I get on to my topic, I would like to ask that have you ever seen magnet? Magnet? What happens really? So it attracts all the kind of nails. It attracts all kind of things which are made of iron. But have you imagined a moment in your life when you have become a magnet? When everyone, like your spouse, is getting attracted towards you, your kids are getting attracted towards you, your parents, they are feeling proud of you, they are getting attracted towards you. Whatever you do, people are admiring you. Your friends, they keep on reaching you. You enjoy your work. Happy atmosphere everywhere, at your home, at your workplace, actually just around you, at least around you. And people are loving to be around you. People love to talk to you. Can you ever imagine such moment? If you have not imagined, then this is the right time. This is the right time where you can imagine such beautiful moments. See, by this date, by today, we have always imagined, mostly we have imagined all the kind of nonsense about us. Maybe this happens, oh God, what if, oh God, what if I fail, what if I can't speak, what if I can't do, what if that scrutinizes me, what if that person scolds me, what if my parents would get upset. So we have actually thought of all kind of nonsense. But please, trust me, just once, give a moment to yourself. Consider yourself Simran, and the Babuji comes and says, "Ja Simran ja, ji le apni zindagi," and you have become suddenly a Simran, male or a female, right? And now you have the full opportunity to live the life your way. And now you imagine that you are standing and everyone is like calling you, and they are loving, they are dying to spend time with you, they are waiting for you, they are waiting for your autographs. Just like no, I can't give any kind of similarities with anyone. No, because you are unique. You are the billion-million dollar person, and you have to meet yourself in order to bring such kind of atmosphere in your life. So in order to become such an attractive person, do something that makes you happy every day. Yes, this is the topic for today, that do something that makes you happy every day. So you see people, that whenever I am doing it, because making people smile is something which I love to do. I love to empower people, and people all over India, those who have met me, those who have taken sessions with me, those who have attended my sessions, those who are my team members, those who are in my family, they love to be around me, and they can feel the positive aura around me. They feel lighter, so they feel lighter at heart. And you can also do it. How you can do it? I will give you a few steps. You have to identify what you love to do. It can be gardening, it can be just smiling and opening your arms, looking at the sky and just smiling towards the sky. Thank you so much for this wonderful atmosphere and environment and nature I am enjoying in this moment. So you just have to identify whatever you love. If you love cooking, do it. If you love gardening, do it. If you love drawing, do it. If you love loving people, then do it. If you love laughing, call your friend and do it. Whatever you love, just do it. Whatever makes you happy, just do it. Identify your values, and that's how this will make you help identify that what makes you happy. So just identify and do it for at least 15-20 minutes. Take a baby step and start from today itself. The second step what you can do is 30 minutes you have to give it to yourself per day. Now what you are supposed to do in these 30 minutes? 15 minutes for your lunch and 15 minutes for your dinner. So from now onwards, from today onwards, just promise yourself that whenever I will have lunch or dinner, I will not use my phone, I will not be with anything else, especially if something is negative. I will just focus on my food, I will relish my food with my five senses. Five senses are your eyes, your ears, your tongue, your nose. You'll take the fragrance, yummy mouth-watering food, and you will listen. Oh God, my stomach is actually making noises to eat this food. When we are so hungry, we can actually hear the noises what stomach makes, good, 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 good. And we have to, the fifth sense is, we have to taste it, right? So we have to eat the food with five senses. And the moment, the day you start eating the food with your five senses instead of spending time with your mobile, your brain will get message that you think that this body is important for you. And the moment your brain gets this message, you'll start become happy. And the third point is, at least smile 15 times in a day. And how you have to smile? You just have to close your eyes, open your arms towards the sky, look towards the sky, keep your head towards the sky, and just smile as if the showers of happiness are coming onto you from the universe. Just 15 times in a day you have to do it, and be grateful for what you have. So this is the secret of my happiness, my magical smile, and I promise you, if you do it, you will definitely be attracting a lot of happiness moments in your life. So please do something that makes you happy every day.